Choosing a career path is a significant decision, one that shapes your future in many ways. If you're analytical, detail-orientated, and interested in the construction industry, becoming a quantity surveyor might be the perfect fit for you. This video delves into what quantity surveyors do, what their typical day looks like, and the pros and cons of the profession. So, what is a quantity surveyor? A quantity surveyor, or QS, is a professional who manages all costs related to construction projects. They ensure the projects are completed within the allocated budget, and they balance quality and value to achieve the best outcomes for their clients. Quantity surveyors are involved from the initial design stages through to the completion of a project, overseeing costs and contracts to deliver projects that meets clients' expectations. The day-to-day life of a quantity surveyor. The daily routine of a quantity surveyor can be quite varied, but generally includes the following tasks. Cost estimation and budgeting. This would involve preparing detailed cost estimates for projects, including materials, labour, and other expenses. Contract management. This includes drafting and managing contracts between clients and contractors to ensure all terms are clear and fair. Site visits. This includes conducting site visits to monitor progress, check quality, and ensure adherence to the budget. Risk management. This involves identifying potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. Tender analysis. This involves evaluating bids from contractors and suppliers to recommend the best options. Reporting. This involves preparing regular financial and progress reports to keep stakeholders informed. And finally, collaborating. This involves working closely with the architects, engineers, contractors, and clients to ensure smooth project execution. So let's look at some of the pros of being a quantity surveyor. Number 1, diverse career opportunities. Quantity surveying offers a range of opportunities in various sectors such as construction, civil engineering, and infrastructure. This diversity allows you to work on different types of projects and gain a broad range of experience. Number 2, job stability. The construction industry is a critical component of the economy, and skilled quantity surveyors are always in demand. This provides a level of job security that is appealing in today's ever-changing job market. Number 3, professional growth. With continuous developments in the construction techniques and project management, quantity surveyors have many opportunities for ongoing professional development and career advancement. Number 4, good compensation. Quantity surveyors are well compensated, with salaries reflecting their expertise and the critical role they play in project success. And number 5, satisfaction of seeing tangible results. Working on construction projects allows you to see the tangible results of your efforts. There's a real sense of accomplishment in watching a project go from initial concept to completion. Okay, let's look at the cons of being a quantity surveyor. Number 1, high pressure. Managing costs and ensuring projects stay within budget can be stressful, especially when dealing with unexpected issues, risks, or tight deadlines. Number 2, long hours. Especially when nearing project deadlines or critical phases, quantity surveyors may need to work long hours, including weekends. Number 3, continuous learning. While ongoing professional development is a pro, it can also be demanding. Staying updated with the latest industry trends, software, and regulations requires a commitment to continuous learning. And this is where we can help. At Metroun Learning, we offer over 40 hours of training to ensure that quantity surveyors are not just keeping up with the current expectations, but exceeding them. Find out more at metroun.co.uk. Number 4, site work. Regular site visits are part of the job, which means working in various weather conditions and at times in potentially hazardous environments. And number 5, conflict management. Disputes and disagreements between contractors, clients, and other stakeholders are common, requiring strong negotiation and conflict resolution skills. Becoming a quantity surveyor offers a dynamic and rewarding career path. It provides the opportunity to be at the forefront of the construction industry, ensuring projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the desired quality. While the role comes with its challenges, the benefits and the sense of accomplishment makes it a fulfilling profession for those who are up to the task. If you enjoy problem solving, working with numbers, and being part of a team that creates something tangible and lasting, a career as a quantity surveyor could be an excellent choice for you. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.